Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today's video is all about world's most famous diet plan, which is GM diet plan. In this video, I'll be sharing with you all the benefits, side effects, cons and pros of GM diet plan and how it helps to lose 7 kgs in 7 days super effectively. But first, for personalized weight loss diet plans or customized diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number and we can start your weight loss transformation with me and begin the journey. So let's proceed towards the GM diet plan to help you lose 7 kgs in 7 days super effectively and why it is beneficial and not beneficial at the same time. GM diet, the full form of it is General Motors diet plan. It was created by a company called General Motors to help its employees lose maximum weight in minimum time and make them more energetic, active and more disciplined. The company itself claimed that this diet plan will definitely help you lose 7 kgs in 7 days super effectively, making it the world's most famous diet plan at the same time fat diet as well. But first let's see what this diet plan is all about. Now the 7 days diet plan consists of each and every rules, regulations and aspects in the 7 days. So day 1 it is all about fruits. You eat all the fruits except banana. Day 1, breakfast, lunch, dinner is all about fruits itself. Except banana, you can have any fruit of your own choice, making sure that you have nothing else except fruits. Apple, orange, strawberries, berries, pomegranate, pineapple, papaya, whatever you get, you can have, and there is no restriction on it at all. Day 2 is all about vegetables. So you have your vegetables boiled, raw, as per your own convenience. But day 2 is all about vegetables and no fruits, no protein, no carbs at all. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, you can have fruits, soups, boiled, grilled, as per your own convenience. This is the complete diet plan that I'm displaying on the screen of yours if you wish to follow it. Day 3 is all about fruits and vegetables mix. So you can have fruits and vegetables combined on day 3. Muskmelon, watermelon, pineapple, bowl of salad, grilled vegetables, carrots, cucumber, pomegranate, anything can be added on day 3. Proceeding towards our day 4. Day 4 is all about only and only bananas and milk. So you have your 6 bananas and approximately 3 to 4 glasses of milk throughout the day. It claims to remove any kind of constipation or lesser bowel movements with this day's diet plan. Proceeding towards day 5, which contains carbs in only lunch. So what you have to do is you have 3 tomatoes in the breakfast, then you have bowl of brown rice with sabzi or curry or dal, whatever you want to have along with that. In dinner you have only grilled vegetables. Day 6 is yet again carbs in lunch and protein in dinner. So this time you get protein in dinner as well. You have ABC juice in the morning, then you have lunch with brown rice and curry or sabzi of your own choice. Then in dinner you have your grilled paneer or chicken breast as your own convenience. But protein has to be added in the dinner itself. Day 7, you have ABC juice in the morning and then brown rice and sabzi and curry in the afternoon as your lunch and then fruits for mid-evening snack. Then dinner is soup. Now it claims to have a wonder soup which is basically cabbage soup which gives you great weight loss result and at the same time is also considered as a free meal in this diet plan. Now this is the complete 7 days of General Motors diet plan to help you lose 7 kgs in 7 days very effectively. This diet plan claims to detoxify your system throughout these 7 days, remove all the bad toxins from your body very quickly, and at the same time remove all the constipation, help you clear your bowel system and improve your digestion at the same time. Also gives you good skin benefits, health benefits through this diet plan. Now let's consider you follow the 7 days of these diet plans. The only con that I see here is that yes, you will be lacking lots and lots of nutrition in this because you don't get the required vitamin B12, D3, other essential vitamins and nutrients in this diet. Second point, the moment you finish this diet plan and definitely lose 7 kgs in 7 days and get back to your normal eating habits, the weight will get back to you. So definitely not a sustainable weight loss can be achieved with it. So it's definitely a short-term weight loss goal. People who want to attend some events or functions or definitely want to lose 7 kgs very quickly in 7 days, they can adopt to this diet plan, but it's not healthy and effective weight loss at the same time. Hence known as fat diet. Other risks with GM diet is dehydration, muscle weakness, fatigue, headaches, and poor physical performance during exercise as well. Now, who should not follow these diets? Pregnant or lactating women, people from any kind of medical diseases or taking any kind of serious medications for serious ailments, then they should not follow this diet plan because it can cause you serious damage to your health. GM diet or General Motors diet is a zero sugar diet plan. It does not contain any kind of refined sugar or any kind of sugar added to any meals. Hence, you only get sugar from the fruits that you take in throughout the 7 days. So hence, you can definitely follow this diet plan, but make sure you know the consequences of it. And for sustainable and effective weight loss, you should only go for balanced diet plan to help you lose weight. At the same time, its sustainable weight loss journey should be achieved with any diet that you follow. For personalized or customized weight loss diet plans and balanced meal nutritionist diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmorelose7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with me and begin the journey in a very healthy, nutritious and sustainable manner. If you like this video, please the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the meal recipes or plans, and I'll be more than happy to assist you with. To check out my what I eat in a day and how my diet goes each and every day, time transformations, weight loss tips and tricks, lots and lots of healthy recipes every single day, you can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is this. Go check it out and let's have a conversation on Instagram. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon to be notified for all the upcoming weight loss tips and tricks, diet plans, healthy weight loss recipes, time transformations, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.